All right, so let's go in and add in our little image here. Once again, place or Command D. And under images here, I have a little staples out. Now what this has done is kind of place that in the area that I already had selected, so we don't want to do that. There we go. And then I'm just going to basically take this and kind of draw out the size that I want, which works right like that. And here I can just kind of combine these two by going up under my effects. And then just like we have in Photoshop, we could put in like multiply, which allows us to kind of multiply the thing. We can crop this down like that. And now what we're going to do is just put a little bit, make this just a little bit bigger. So S for scale. So now what we're going to do is something called a text wrap, which is going to have the text kind of wrap around this. So if we go to Window, Text Wrap, we'll get our text wrap here. There's a couple of different options. What we have right now is just basically going over top of it. This option will basically just put a square around things. And then this one allows us to go in and actually change where the wrap is. You can do this one of two ways. You can go in with your pen tool. And with the blue section here, I can just kind of select to add some. And maybe we'll just put another one right here. Another one right there. And then I can just go in, select these, and then that text will wrap around it. If you're running into an issue where that's becoming difficult for you, you can also just draw a separate shape all by itself and put the wrap around that. Something you do want to worry about is you don't want anything like that. That's going to look bad. Since I'm just bringing this down to here, that works. All right, let me go down just a little bit more. Oops. There we go. That works. Okay, so now we have a nice text wrap. Let's hit Command 0 to see everything, and then W to get rid of the border.